First of all, let me offer my prayer to the Almighty God. Jati bhedam matadvesham ഏതുമില്ലാതെ സർവരും സോദരത്വേന വാഴുന്ന മാതൃകാ സ്ഥാനമാണിത്.
Today it's an honor for all of us to present the Symphony Music Award to this great musical legend, Padma Bhushan Dr. K.J. Yesudas, fondly, dearly and respectfully.
Welcome to this melodious journey. Today is a very important day for us because today we are going to present and pay musical tribute to the living legend of music, Dr. Padma Bhushan K.J. Yesudas. John Keats, the English poet, long time back, years back, he wrote, "Heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter." When he wrote it, perhaps 100 years back, I don't think he thought about a musical legend like Yesudas singing 60,000 songs, making each one more melodious than the other. So we are fortunate to live in this century where he is beside us singing for us. So I take this as a great opportunity for all of you too, not only for us, that we are able to listen to him and also pay our musical tribute through music. ഞാൻ ഒന്ന് മലയാളത്തിലും കൂടെ പറഞ്ഞോട്ട് ദാസേട്ടാ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മനസ്സിനൊരു സന്തോഷം.
എന്നാലും എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും.
ഇന്ന് മലയാളിക്ക് ഒരിക്കലും മറക്കാനാവാത്ത, നമ്മൾ ഹൃദയത്തിൽ ചേർത്ത് വയ്ക്കുന്ന, ഒരിക്കലും നമ്മളുടെ ഓർമ്മയിൽ നിന്ന് മായാത്ത, മലയാളികളെ കൊണ്ട് മറക്കാൻ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സില്ല എന്ന് പറയിച്ചിട്ടില്ല എത്രയോ ഗാനങ്ങളാണ് അദ്ദേഹം നമുക്ക് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. അതിൽ നിന്നുള്ള മുത്തും പവിഴവും അതാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ ഇന്നിവിടെ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് കാണിക്കയായി വയ്ക്കുന്നത്. മാത്രമല്ല, ദാസേട്ടനോട് ഞാൻ സംസാരിച്ചിട്ട് ദാസേട്ടൻ ആരാധിച്ചിരുന്ന ഇന്ത്യയിലെ മ്യൂസിക്കൽ ലിജൻസ് ആയിരുന്ന മുഹമ്മദ് റഫി, കിഷോർ, മുകേഷ്, മന്നാഡെ, ദാസേട്ടൻ തന്നെ അവരുടെ പാട്ടുകൾ പാടുന്നത് ഞാൻ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അവരുടെ പാട്ടുകളും ഒരു മ്യൂസിക്കൽ ജേർണിയുടെ ഒരു ഭാഗമായിട്ട് മുഹമ്മദ് അസ്ലം പാടും. ദാസേട്ടൻ പാടിയ പാട്ടുകൾ വിൽസ് പാടും. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യത്തെ പാട്ട്,
The first one, actually inspired me in the age of 3 or 4. I never knew that the greatest person sang that song. And later on, by the grace of God, I could sit with him, the Sahib, Guruji, or the great master, composer, Pankaj Malik ji. The opportunity I got it when I was in, I told you, 3 or 4. I think 3. My mother's elder sister, they were having a gramophone. So my cousin sister, she also used to sing. My elder sister, like Stella, Cochin Stella. There I learned, Chale papan ki jo, jug mein chale pavan. Still now I remember the timbre of that sound. Then I met him. Suddenly I prayed to him, I requested him, I want a photograph. He allowed me very, very nicely. But that photographer, he didn't give me the copy of it. I'm very poor in collecting all the things, Till now, in my life, 2 photographs are lacking in mine. One is Mother Teresa. That also took like that. The most important thing is, both are great for me in my life. And that is my starting. The Chale Pavane Kija.
This is the first song. We thought with one single song you made India listen to you. Ravindra Jain De, Chitchorle, Jab Jeep Chale. I think Ravindra Jain is the composer as well as the lyricist for this song. And I believe he has said, if God gives me my eyesight, the first thing I would like to see is the face of Yeshudas. So I think paying tribute to him and paying tribute to Dasatin, we'll start our musical program with that song.
Ravindra Jain, actually is the greatest composer. But we can say that, that is my experience. He writes, he composed the songs, he writes the song himself, and even music also, the orchestration. Nobody like him in this film industry. Somebody has to write to them and they will compose. But some people will have the help of the other arrangers, but he arranged himself. And can you imagine that, the God given him a very great blessings that he is not at all worried about the worldly life. That I feel like that. And he given me a great song that is still in the inside,
Not
released.
Oh, really?
The picture, the name of the picture is Tansen. 12-minute song.
Ooh.
Those days, there was no track system, no pinching.
Yes.
2 days it took to finish the song.
12 minutes.
12-minute song. Somehow it came out without the knowledge of the great music director or the producer. It is in the market now. Mm-hmm. I don't know how it came. Mm-hmm. But you can listen. That is, the song is actually Shadajane Paya E Vardhan. That is the blessing of mine. The Shadaj give me the blessings. I'm living with that only.
Thinking about the Malayalam music legends, Dakshinamurti Swami, Devarajan Master, Raghavan Master, then of course Babu Raj. But I think the first song, can we think about Swami Sangeeta, Dakshinamurti Swami. For all Malayalis, I think one single song that immediately brings in a lot of memories, Hriday Sarasili.
Of course, the Dakshinamurti Swami is a great master.
Yes.
Actually, master means, of course, he is a very great composer, but teaching style.
Yes.
Teaching style, he created. I was so lucky. I'm so lucky.
Yes.
That days, I remember that, how he teaches the song. That is most important thing. We need not to do anything more than that, what he taught to us. The way, if you watch him, you can't hear what you said. It is, the song which you sang, and which one is the silent song is more powerful than the sounding song.
Right, exactly. Heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter.
Like that, before starting the song, inside he creates a swara.
Yes.
But that we have to pick it up. That he taught us. That he taught me to. That you have to watch and get it. See that. That Sopnangal is the most I like that song very well. Of course, Hriday Sarisale,
Yes,
any song of
Right,
Sarabji,
right.
he already started. See, this is nobody can hear it.
Correct. I understand.
Sopran, see, before that there is some notes that nobody can record it, nobody can hear it.
Yes. It comes from the soul.
Not that Soprangal, no.
No.
Soprangal. See, again, in the gaps, that space,
Right,
what we call it is space. Space is most important thing that nobody can hear, that we can feel it only.
Yes.
After that, without hearing the notes, we will have the feelings later.
Yes.
That is Dakshinamurti Swami. Swapnangale Ningal Swargakumarigal.
Yes.
How he taught us, that curves. That is the greatest thing, I observed from him. Everything is actually I already told you that everything is from
Yes.
the God's
It's a divine,
grace.
absolutely.
We are not doing anything, we are not preparing anything. The sadhaka, we can say that, I practice that much, this practice. You can say, but everything, he has to plan it. And दाने दाने पे लिखे है गाने वाले खाने वाले का नाम. बट अभी मैं बताता हूँ कि गाने गाने पे लिखे है गाने वाले का नाम. Experience is there. That's why I'm telling you.
Right.
A great person, Udebanu Anna, we call him Chetta, Udebanu Chetta. He has to sing that song 2-3 times. They tried, but he was not well. Suddenly, I was after a small song, I was playing outside. Suddenly, they called me and requested, the shooting is there, so please, thus I can't spend that much of money. Iyer, the producer,
Right.
Sami,
Yes.
not the other
I
Sami.
know, I understand.
Then Udebanu Chetan also came.
Achha, he came to you, he told you.
Madas, I am telling you, please sing. I said, look, Chetta, I can't do that.
Yes.
It can be on me also sometimes.
Right.
It will hurt me. So I can't feel it. So like that, you also feel it. I know. No. I am telling you, please sing. And compulsion of so many people, I sang that song.
And Job Master was also in those days actually.
Yeah, he also compelled me. So suddenly within half an hour I learned the song. So you have to understand one thing. You need not to go, you need to search, you need to ask.
Yes. What is written?
Which one is written for you, it will come to you.
Correct.
I maintain it.
Aliyambal. And again, Aliyambal is another classic.
And again, my son sang that.
Aliyambal.
Exactly. That also, it's a blessing.
Right.
Actually,
Right.
I'm not telling that my son sang. No, it is equal to everybody sings. But even then, it's a mark.
Yes.
It is a mark.
Yes. And the next generation has also taken it to heart.
I pray my granddaughter may sing.
But what it is? In my younger days, the greatest thing that happens to me was I am actually only 60 years young. That was to listen to your Ganamelas. I think
some people ask, we are not at all worried about anything.
Yes.
So you always said, the best medicine, best food is smile. You are always doing the same thing.
That's it. I used to come and listen to almost all the Ganamelas that you used to have in those days, right from Trivandrum to Kannur, every month, at least 1 or 2 Ganamelas, and every district. So practically in 1 year, probably there may be 25 or 30 Ganamelas, and in those Ganamelas, he used to sing 24 songs Today, you cannot think about 24 songs being sung by anybody. With the full orchestra, 24 songs starting with Idaya Kanyage and ending with Vishwanathan Velavenam. Dasaran used to sing. So at that time, he also used to sing Muhammad Rafi songs. Rafi Sahib, I think, was Dasaran's all-time.
Any singers in India, he's the greatest master. The modulation,
Yes.
the style, different type of songs. Nobody sang.
Absolutely.
A peculiar way, the Mukesh ji is there, but he got his own.
Yes,
And
style.
Manade ji, he's also got his own. Then Kishorda.
Yeah.
Kishorda also different.
Yeah.
But he is
Versatile.
Any type of song.
Dasaran
But it
has said he is a musical university.
Yeah, that's actually to observe and to, he is my Sarva Guru Sthan I given to him.
Rafi Sahib, once, when we formed this company, Symphony, I had met Dasaran and taken his blessings, and he said, "Why symphony? And why symphony?" So I didn't have the courage to tell him exactly what I mean by symphony. But today, in his presence, I just want to tell him what my symphony is. Symphony, the meaning of the word symphony is harmony. And harmony also takes you to melody. But more than that, every letter of the word symphony has a meaning in my heart. That is, S for serene and soulful, Y for ears, M for melodious memories, P for passion, H for harmony, O for openness, N for nostalgia, and Y, because it is for Yesudas.
No, one more joke I'll tell you.
Yes.
When I was traveling to Trivandrum in the train, and suddenly the pilgrimage people, they used to come to Kanyakumari. Somehow, I was sitting in a corner and I don't want them to be recognized.
Right.
Are you Yesudas?
Huh.
So I can't say lie.
Yes.
I said yes.
Very apologetically.
If they didn't hear means I will be
Right,
escaped.
yes.
But they heard it.
Right.
Oh, please sing a song. Okay. Anyway, I thought that I smelled from them that they are going to the temple, and so what I did, I selected a song like this: Krishna Divani, Divani Meera. कृष्ण दीवानी काहे तेरी अखियों में पानी काहे तेरी अखियों में पानी कृष्ण दीवानी. I finished the song. There was no response. We want a Hindi song. They said. See, why they no? It is not wrong thing they said.
Right.
They kept it in the mind. The Goritara Gaon is the Hindi song.
That's it. Another combination which all Malayalis always keep very dear to heart is Vayalar Devarajan Dasaran. For us, it's a Trimurti. I think Devarajan must also. I think for him, the greatest singer, even though he may not be, he was not very vocal about anything, but you were the Gandharva guy again for him. I'll put it that way.
Of course, അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെയും അനുഗ്രഹം ഒരുപാടുണ്ടായിട്ടുണ്ട് എനിക്ക്. കാരണം ആ സമയത്ത് ഞാൻ ജനിക്കാനും എൻ്റെ സംഗീതത്തിൻ്റെ യാത്രയുടെ സമയത്ത് അദ്ദേഹം കൂടെ എന്നെ കൈപിടിച്ച് വളർത്തിയെന്ന് പറയാതിരിക്കാൻ നിവൃത്തിയില്ല. അപ്പം നമുക്കൊരു ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മളോട് അത് നന്നായിട്ടുണ്ടെന്ന് പോലും പറയണ്ട. പക്ഷെ അദ്ദേഹം തന്നത് തന്നെ നമുക്ക് വലിയ അനുഗ്രഹമാണ്. അപ്പോൾ പറഞ്ഞ് ഇനി അതിനൊരു സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റും കൂടി എഴുതി തരേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. ഏത് പാട്ടാണെങ്കിലും സെലക്ട് ചെയ്ത് തന്നിട്ടുള്ള പാട്ടുകളൊക്കെ എൻ്റെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ മറക്കാൻ പറ്റാത്ത പാട്ടുകൾ. ഏറ്റവും ഉയർന്ന തരത്തിലുള്ളത്. അതുപോലെ ബാബുരാജ് ആണെങ്കിലും ശരി, അത് രാഘവൻ മാസ്റ്റർ ആണെങ്കിലും ശരി, പിന്നെ അർജുനൻ മാസ്റ്റർ, ഇവരെല്ലാം ആ സമയത്ത് ഈശ്വരൻ്റെ അനുഗ്രഹം കൊണ്ട് അത്രയും വർഷങ്ങൾ, കുറഞ്ഞതൊരു 30-35 വർഷം അതിലായിരുന്നു എൻ്റെ ഏറ്റവും വളരെ വിശേഷപ്പെട്ട ഗാനങ്ങൾ.
70
ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്
70
മുതൽ കൊണ്ട് 67 മുതൽ തുടങ്ങി. 67 മുതൽ ഇറ്റ് സ്റ്റാർട്ടഡ് ഓൺ 67 onwards to 75, 80. I was so lucky in that. And we have to say that. I can only say that.
And we are much more luckier.
No, the thing is actually, if suppose there is no other facility, or if I don't have any food to supply,
yes,
the creators, they cooked and given to me to supply it.
Right.
That if there is no food, there is no content is inside. How can my work will be? That time was like that.
Yes, absolutely.
And nowadays, we can't blame anybody. The time it is. Which one you are going to say?
Chalanam eduthathu, because actually the Devaran Master style, Chalanam was in those days a different one, a very different, where he was using your complete range of voice. Gayagan വിഭജികയിലെ ഗാനമായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ, താവകാങ്കുലിൽ ആളിതമൊരു താളമായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ എന്ന് മോഹിക്കാത്ത ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു മലയാളിയുണ്ടോ? ദാസേട്ടനെ പറ്റി ഓർക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇത് ദാസേട്ടൻ തന്നെ പാടിയ വരികളാണ്, വയലാർ ദേവരാജൻ മാസ്റ്ററുടെ സംഗീതത്തിൽ. ദാസേട്ട, I have never heard Kishordas Ganamela, but the first time I heard about his style of Ganamela was from you. Kishore has a totally different style of, even entering the stage and his style of singing.
He was a great artist. I used to think about how he managed on the stage, jumping and dancing and singing.
Yeah.
It's a practice actually. Those days, that it's not a lip movement.
Yes.
You have to understand one thing.
No plus, no minus.
No minus or no plus, no counting or anything. But it is absolutely, we can't imagine. I can't do that. There is a restriction in me. I have to think about my movement. Unnecessarily I can't move and So I was wondering how he manages it. And Cochin, do you remember that?
Yes,
that for the school, he came. I just asked him, that I am going to have a program in Cochin. Can you come? Definitely I'll come. Definitely. For you I'll come. I said, he's the way,
right.
Then he came. And he's asking me, can I get an elephant? Elephant. He has to come on the elephant. Can you imagine that, something happened to him, I have to answer everybody. I said, look, that is not allowed in the premises of a lot of people are here. Suppose an elephant.
Yes. Also gets excited, then we have problem.
Okay. Then I'll do one thing. You arrange some car or anything. That we can.
Yes.
And he can. Yeshu kidhare? From there somewhere. Yeshu kidhare tu? Kidhare? We were searching him,
Where is he?
The way, he creates on the public. No. Thing is actually entertainer. On this, nobody is like that. That is entirely different.
He is totally different.
Rafi Saab is entirely different.
Yes.
Kishorda is entirely different.
So
they are the masters, You just think about a Kishorda's song. If you hear in the radio or in the TV, you will definitely say that it is Kishorda.
correct.
Rafi Saab's sound, if it comes, it is Rafi Saab, no doubt about it. Mukesh ji, it is Mukesh ji. Manade.
It is Manade.
The individuality, that is most important. I'm not telling now.